Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you like how a community guidelines strikes channel looks like this because I got two community guidelines strikes on this channel
क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू तो मजाक है क्या
and what are the problems they are facing. I can't upload any post and any videos. So I'll show you here, upload video and select a video here. I choose one video. So in the bottom, you can clearly see that here too many strikes, and due to community guidelines strikes you can't upload videos at this time. I can't upload any video on this channel currently. And for the post over here, create, if I create any post, so it is also like it is showing here, due to community guidelines strike you can't create any post right now.
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है.
So here I can't create any new post. Okay, so next one is I'll show you my dashboard. Here you can clearly see channel violations. Click over here. So here I got 2 out of 3 community guidelines strikes, and read this like there is a 7 days of period penalty period, so I can't upload any videos and posts over here in this channel. If I got one more strike, then my channel is completely removed on the YouTube.
ये क्या है
So here I'll show you like what are the things I created for you. One is like how to download any YouTube video in HD content without any installing any other third-party softwares and all. So first of all, it starts over here. 21st May, I got the warning from the YouTube channel and it is removed from my YouTube channel. Then I created a video over the file CR. In this video, I showed the process of completed how you can download any software and all, like how to download software, installation process completed. And in this video, I'll focus only on Adobe Premiere Pro software, which is completely based on like how you can go to the website, find the software, then download process, then find the particular .exe file from all the folder file structure, unzipping also, then installation, complete installation process, then how you can open that software and use it, this Premiere Pro. Currently I'm using this Premiere Pro to creating and editing for these YouTube videos. Okay, so I got the 16th July this second community guidelines strike over here in this channel. So then created a new channel here. This one is my new YouTube channel, like this one. So I created this channel, and currently I'm posted the videos, next videos on this channel. So I created this channel, and also I'm finding a new ways to how you can download these softwares and all on the another things, and in the safe manner you can follow the all the YouTube guidelines.
अब आया ना लाइन पे
Currently this video I created here, file CR video, and I find a new way to how I help you to download these softwares and all the things. So ये सब तो चलता रहेगा. Just stay motivated and stay tuned and stay focused. Always learning, always curious. Yes, that's it.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ
Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting me on this past YouTube channel. So thank you very much. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.